melt, melt. The ice cream is melting. Butter will melt quickly on low heat. Mix, mix, mix. The flour with some eggs. Whisk the eggs for a fluffy omelette. Sort, sort. Sort the onions until they're golden brown. Salt the vegetables for a quick stir-fry. Slice, slice. Grab a hot pizza slice and enjoy. Share a cheesy pizza slice with friends. Boil, boil. The water is boiling. Place the eggs in water and bring to a boil. Blend, blend. Blend the fruits for a refreshing smoothie. Blend the ingredients until smooth and creamy. Bake, bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Bake the cookies until the edges turn golden brown. Steam, steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Steam the broccoli for a healthy side dish. Chop, chop. Chop up the onion into small pieces. Chop the vegetables finely for the salad. Pinch, pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Add a pinch of salt for flavor. Crush, crush. Crush 2 cloves of garlic. Crush the garlic with a little salt. Whisk, whisk. Whisk the egg and then add the flour. Whisk the cream and icing sugar together. Knead, knead. I knead the dough for the bread. Add the water and knead the mixture well. Roll out, roll out. Roll out the dough into one large circle. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dough. Grate, grate. Grate the carrot into small pieces. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Strain, strain. Strain the water. Could you strain the tea, please? Pour, pour. He carefully poured the water into her glass. Could you please pour me some tea? Dissolve, dissolve. Dissolve the sugar in water. Dissolve 2 spoons of salt in warm water. Peel, Peel. Please peel an apple for me. Peel the cucumber and chop it into small cubes. Mash. Mash. Mash the potatoes with a fork. I am going to mash these potatoes. Sift. Sift. Sift the flour into a bowl. Sift the baking soda and flour together. Spread. Spread. Spread butter on warm toast. Spread the butter evenly on the toast. Measure. Measure. He measured the flour in the bowl. She measured a cup of rice for the dish. Grind. Grind. Grind the wheat. I need to grind these coffee beans. Grill. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Grill the burgers for a smoky flavor. Garnish. Garnish. Garnish each dish with a slice of lemon. The fish was garnished with parsley leaves. Stir. Stir. I need a spoon to stir my coffee. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Coat. Coat. Coat the fish with the corn flour. The chicken was coated in a spicy sauce. Break. Break. Break the egg into a mixing bowl. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Fry. Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Fry the fish in a little sunflower oil. Roast. Roast. Are you going to roast the chicken? I roasted the chicken in the oven. Drain. Drain. Could you drain the pasta, please? Drain any liquid that is left in the rice. Cut. Cut. She is cutting the vegetables. Please cut the potatoes. Squeeze. Squeeze. I squeezed the lemon to get the juice out. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl. Flip. Flip. I flip the pancake. Please flip the omelette.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down. YouTube.